What's good, all my SGMers, all my still getting money people out there? And before you watch this video, become part of the SGM family by subscribing, like, share, and comment, and hit that bell button below so you'll be notified first. You know, shout out to the SGM notification gang. I see you holding me down in them comments. Gang gang. And before you watch this video, like every other video, don't forget to add me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. You watch me right now, Snapchat, or SgmCashoutKing minus Facebook, which I tell you in every video, so y'all can get it engraved in your head and y'all can actually follow me. You know what I'm saying? SgmCashoutKing for Facebook. You want to join the real business? Like I said, hit me up on a DM on Instagram. I prefer Facebook, but whatever works for you. You know what I mean? Just hit me up and get in tune. You got to be 18 over in the US. But anyways, let's get into this video. This video is about an app called, my last video I did was about 4 apps that's getting me paid. Like I said, so with that being said, like I said, just like I show you those apps, it's for a reason that they get me paid. And guess what? I'm gonna get paid today again on those apps because, you know, I'm telling you about it, and y'all, a lot of y'all not going forward with it. Like I said, y'all said like y'all watching it, but you're not comprehending. And this app called the Sweat Coins. Like I said, if you look on that my last video, 4 apps that I get you paid for free. Sweat Coins is one of them. Dash is one of them. Ibada's the other one, and what's that called? Pocket Flipper's the other one. That's on the gift cards, but the same thing. Is, you know, you getting you know, gift card money. If you spend your money on that, it's basically the same thing. You know what I'm saying? But like I said, before I get into that payment, like I said, let me show you about this app. This app is, like I said, it's self-explanatory. Like I tell you in every other video, it's a workout video. Even if you don't work out, it counts your steps. You get what I'm saying? It counts your steps, and it builds into cash. Let me show you right here. Hold on, that was rewards. As you can see right here, of course, when I first started, I'm like, damn, I got $557, but that's Sweat Coin. That's not $500. You know what I'm saying? Nowhere near it. You know what I'm saying? Those are points, but that's the way they put it. You know what I'm saying? But you know, there's levels to this. You know what I'm saying? There's levels to basically, if you're a mover, shaker, whatever. But let me show you how I've been moving. I ain't been moving too crazy, but you know, moving crazy enough. You know what I mean? As you can see right there, it shows you a chart. And if I wanted to change from a mover, which I am right now, like I said, you can turn into, hold on, let me swipe it to the side. I usually don't swipe it too much, so you know, I be forgetting sometimes. This right here is a shaker. It's a free 30-day trial. So after that, you have to pay a monthly. You know what I'm saying? I think it's $10 per. Let me see, earn up to $10 per day. You know what I'm saying? For the ones that you have to pay, you can earn more. You know what I'm saying? Here goes shaker. You can earn up to $15 daily, and a breaker $20 daily. And this troublemaker's coming soon. But in order to earn more, the free version, which is the one we are right now, it's $5 per person. You know what I'm saying? But if you step it up, you get the free trial, you can make more money per month. You know what I'm saying? Look, earn up to 10 per day or 300 per month. And like I said, if you go here, I'm gonna click one. Let me click the $20 one. I never clicked it before, so look, changing your subscription level. Please confirm free trial and membership for 30 days. Sweat Coins per month. That after the 30 days, you're gonna have to pay $20 per month. Like I said, it's up to you if you want to do it. Right now, I'm keeping it free right now, you know what I'm saying? I might step it up soon, because like I said, it might be worth my while. Let me go back, as a matter of fact, let me see how much can I earn monthly if I was to do the $20 one. I'm curious. The troublemaker might be $30. So, earn up to 20 per day, earn up to $600 per month. I think that's worth it, you know what I'm saying? I think that's way worth it if you used to do that. You know what I'm saying? If you're getting traction, if you putting this out there, like, come on, you can earn up to $600 a month off this app, which makes plenty of sense. Like I said, maybe I might do that right when I get off this. You know what I'm saying? But like I said, even when I get off this right now, I'm gonna work out. You know what I'm saying? I'm getting ready to work out. I just wanted to drop this video real quick to show you that they're paying on here. You know what I'm saying? So, like here, like I said, you know what I'm saying? See how it's 5 right now because it's the free version. Like I said, here go my link right here. You know what I'm saying? There go my link. You can share this on Facebook, you know what I'm saying, through your text, WhatsApp app, and this other right here. You press, and whatever you have, Twitter, anything you have here, you can just copy it and just send it to the person, or just send it to the masses on your social media. Spam this everywhere. Like I said, whether you work out or not, you're taking your steps or not, spam this. You know what I'm saying? So, like I said, here go the rewards. You know what I mean? Rewards is right here. You know what I'm saying? $1,214. I don't know why such an even number. They should have just left it at 200. Made sense. 100, 450. They got other stuff right here. You know what I'm saying? You can do, as you can see right here. Like these are like offers of the day. You know what I'm saying? They got marathon stuff. They got Nike. You know, they got a bunch of stuff on here. Like I said, you just got to really go through it. You know what I'm saying? Let me see. Let me press the new offers. Well, like I said, and on top of here, if you have a product or service, you know what I'm saying, maybe you can connect with them, sell your service, you know, give them a percentage, yada, 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 yada. Like I said, but let's get down to the nitty gritty, which is the cash out. So right here, I'm going to get the $100 cash out right now. So let's press get. You know what I'm saying? Do you want to confirm the purchase for $100? Confirm. So I'm going to confirm that. So now that that's done, you know what I'm saying? They're going to send a code, which is the code right here. This is my personal code. You have to do everything they tell you on here. These are the instructions, you know what I'm saying? So purchase your offer. They're going to send me an email too, so I got to follow the instructions. So, you know what I'm saying? They usually send it in 2 days. So I'm going to go to my email. Hold on 1 second. I'm going to go to my email. They probably send me the email. Well, you got to follow the instructions. So let's do that. Go to where's the hell? I got so many damn apps, man. Like I said, so it should be popping up any minute now. Like I said, let that load. But like I said, man, I'm probably, oh, there it go right there. I'll let y'all know in a minute about that other stuff. All right, this is my receipt for purchasing my 100 cash. Congratulations on your purchase for $100 to redeem. This is what you have to do, 1 through 5. You know what I'm saying? You gotta purchase the offer by inviting your followers. You receive the code. Please click continue to fill the requirement details. It will be sent the winnings in 2 working days, only valid from your home country market. And that's it. All right, so let me go back to the app. All right, hold on 1 second. All right, give me 1 second. Alright, so like I said, this is the instructions you gotta follow right here. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna press the link, download content from here. Let that load up real quick. Alright, so all you gotta do is just follow the instructions right here. Like I said, email it to them, and that's it. After 2 days, you'll get your prize. And that's it. So once I'm gonna fill this out, once I get the, you know what I'm saying, the $100, I'm gonna definitely show you the payment proof. So I'll be right back once that payment drops. Okay, I'm back. As you can see, I got this payment like 2 days ago. Today is Friday. You know what I'm saying? You see, it's Wednesday. But my iPhone wire got messed up, stopped working. Bought another one. Wasn't even charging my phone like that. So every time I try to use the camera, it'll just die out. It wouldn't let me basically. So I had to go get another one today. So this is the payment for SgmCashoutKing. Like I told you in my other video where I did the 4 apps that pay. The reason I did that video to show you that those apps are paying me consistently, so I know it could pay y'all consistently. It don't have to be as big. Even if it's paying you $5, it's the point. It's paying you. That's how everybody starts. That's how a lot of people start. You know what I mean? So like I said, this is why I tell y'all, and I keep bringing these videos back up to show y'all I'm still getting paid. As you can see right there, SgmCashoutKing sent me $100. Right? They go to the date right there, like it was 2 days ago. They go to transaction ID. Like I said, I was going crazy. I couldn't post this video, but like I said, most of y'all know me. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know what I gotta do. Let's go to my PayPal. Give y'all more proof, more in-depth proof. I already know the routine. The people that have been following me for a while. You know what I'm saying? Logging into my PayPal. See activity. Cha-ching! And there it is. $100 from SgmCashoutKing, as you can see right there. Right there. See on the 24th. But in that time, I bought some stuff. Like I said, I bought something from eBay for my car. Right there, as you can see, 21. And right here, I paid my car insurance. You know what I'm saying? So you seeing real life stuff. Look at the date, the 25th and the 25th. Right? And look when I got paid this on the 24th. So I got paid this. The next day, I bought that. and next day I pay my car insurance, right? So let me just close the phone to show you more in depth about the date. You see right there, it's gonna pop up right now. Bam, Friday, the 26th. So today's Friday. So I bought that yesterday on Thursday, but I got paid on Wednesday. So you can see in depth that when I got paid on Wednesday, I made those purchases. So as you can see, like once again on eBay, I bought something for my car, and I paid my car insurance. Yes, it's low. It's not under my name. You know, you got to get around all that. Like I said, that's what life was about. It's under my pop's name. Like I said, hey, like I said, you got to get around things. You know what I mean? I'm not gonna pay $200, $300, $400 in my name when I could just pay that in his name. But anyways, the point is that regardless whose name it was, I still got it paid for free. This is ongoing every month, my phone bill, my insurance, gas, almost everything I do, period. Because like I said, I grind, I hustle, like I said, and I don't stop. It's because, you know what I'm saying, you have your little trial and error. That's part of the journey. Everybody has their own journey, their own story, you know what I mean? But I do this to show y'all. I give you all this free information to show y'all. So like I said, if you have any of these apps that I showed you, or you're in any business that I'm in, get on your job. The link will be in the description below. I put out these videos for a reason, for y'all to grind. I know sometimes, you know what I'm saying, things are slow, but you got to keep going. You ain't gonna never know if you're gonna ever get here if you stop. If I stopped years ago, I would have never knew how I was gonna get right here. You have to keep going, and your time will come. Hold on, I got a call right here, so I'm gonna end this video. So the SgmCashoutKing is signing out. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe, become part of the SGM fam, become part of the SGM fam, become part of the SGM fam.
Money in the bank, yeah. Shout out what you drink. I got money in the bank, yeah. Shout out what you drink. I got money in the bank, yeah. Shout out what you drink. I got money in the bank, yeah. Shout out what you drink.